Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel here. We are here doing some more bike building. Voila. We are still building our 2015 CRF450, aka Jeff Walker's old bike. Look at MX Pro Sports. Hell yeah. We got the sticker. Justin's back. Justin's tired today. I'm tired. Oh, my name's Justin and I'm tired. So anyway, today we got the upper triple clamps. Well, I should say upper. We have the triple clamps, both of them in burnt bronze Cerakote. Justin's going to use a little bit of this Maxima waterproof grease.
Is that a plug right there? Or are we trying to get sponsored by Maxima?
Maxima, call us. Anyway, to pack the bearings in, then he is going to strip stickers, strip seals, strip washers, everything out of the swing arm so that I can get that rolling. And he's going to install the entire front setup here, hopefully. Right?
We're gonna do what we're gonna do.
We have like 2 hours before we gotta get set up for the show. So, forks, triples, front wheel,
Yeah, we can do that.
maybe handlebars.
Maybe. We can at least get the forks on because even with the clamp, like, it's gonna tilt a little bit.
Yeah.
So we can at least get that on and get everything at least somewhat snugged up because obviously we can't tighten the triple clamps without the, the forks in there. They go like this and get all wonky and all that kind of stuff. And
Yeah. I'm digging the beard. Can I touch it?
sure, man, everybody else does.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
nice. That's rough. Ladies, he's single.
I am single.
He's single. Check him out on Tinder, Snapchat, Bumble, MySpace. What's your MySpace handle?
I don't have a band, so I'm not on MySpace.
Gay. All right. 3, 2, 1. So wrapping this up here, as you saw, great day. We got the front end on the bike, so it actually looks like a bike right now. Front wheel. We are going to change the fork guards out because we'll have all new plastics with graphics and stuff. Triple clamps are on here. Stabilizers on here. It's got clamps on here. Front brakes on. So we're doing well. We do have a new front tire for this too, but I don't have the new rear, so we just kind of left the front on there. By next week, I will have all the stuff coated, the knuckle, the swing arm, the rear brake caliper mount, so that we can get basically the whole rear end bolted up, and then we'll be rolling. So great job, buddy. Thanks, pal. That was awesome. So anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below as we continue to rebuild Jeff Walker's 2015 CRF 450 race bike. Told me this thing was a rocket ship. He wasn't lying. We're going to have it done here for one of the biggest events for us of the year, one of the most fun events for us for the year, Buck Bash, aka Bucks Motocross. Look it up on YouTube. You'll want to come to it. We'll announce dates as soon as we know. We're hopefully going to have some pro guys out there with us. It's going to be awesome. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.